What's up, world? We back online. We in the Chicago area. We on 355 right now. Headed to go pick up this load from Air New Zealand. We going to California, baby. We going to California. We going to the Sunshine State. You heard me? A little bit of traffic says we should arrive in about 25 minutes, around 4 o'clock. My appointment is 5 o'clock. I've been in New Orleans. Use the right lane to merge onto I-290 West. All right, y'all. I got to get over 1, 2, 3 lanes. So hopefully somebody will be kind enough. No, he not gonna be kind. He don't want to be kind. He just jumped over. He not gonna be kind. They just gonna let me just hold up traffic. You see, you could have just let me over. I'm just gonna hold up traffic then. We're gonna be holding up traffic. Continue on I-290 West for 3/4 of a mile. Thank you. Thank you. I just want to get out y'all way. Thank you. You see how easy that is? It wasn't easy. They some assholes. I've been in New Orleans. Blue car. You could have let me over. Yeah. Yeah. Ugly ass car. That ain't look like an exit. They need to tighten them lines up. Look like a shoulder at first. This close, I try to follow the truck GPS. Oh. Caught me. Damn, I should have ran that bitch. Y'all see that shit? That shit was crazy. You see how that bad boy? Y'all need to see that. And that was because I was trying to not run that light. I ain't getting no traction, baby. You hear me? When you ain't got no weight on here and you empty, you don't get no traction. Do not play with these people. See, and now up here it say red light photo. I don't even want to pass this light. This one got a red light photo. See, that's why you got to watch out for Chicago. I already knew it. Yeah, you tried to be a little smart ass. Now look at you stuck behind the bus. Why I got to go on the railroad crossing. El stupido. Boy, I know you weren't going to Starbucks hauling tail like that. He went into Starbucks. I'm crying. I gotta go straight a little bit just so I can end up right in front of it, but I don't have enough room to go straight, so I'm gonna bend it a little more and then I'm gonna be right in front of it. You know, y'all don't like when I be scrubbing them tires, so let me not do that this time. So y'all crying, y'all sleep tonight. I don't see no lines, so I'm looking at the black on the ground with the tires that look like tire treads used to be. Oh, I could have cleaned my mirrors. Oh, I still didn't do that right. Still gonna have to pull up. It's all good. That's what happened when they ain't got no lines on the ground. Gotta snake it. That's how you snake. Oh. See, if I would have just been looking at them dang on dark marks really good, I suppose it did this a little bit better. You see how the dark marks on the ground? That's it right there. And then you straighten up with the crack. And that's how you know when you straight, when the trailer is straight with the crack on the ground. And you got to use whatever you can, relativity as much as possible to back up. And that time it was better. Just got to know what the hell you doing and where you going. And in that case, I didn't know where I was going. Arrived, checked in, it's 4:12 p.m. I'm backed into the dock door. We about to get loaded and we about to be on our way to California, baby. We going to the Sunshine State, you did. That's the good thing about this company. I get to go places I haven't been in a long time, because running reefer, I pretty much did a lot of the Midwest, did a little bit of East Coast, but mostly Midwest stuff. I had on long johns just in case. Thought I was going to Washington, but while I was driving here to pick up this load, man, they called me and say, hey, the load you're getting from Air New Zealand, it need to go to San Francisco, California. So that's where we going, baby. I might not be able to find parking, but I ain't gonna fret. I'm just enjoy the scenery. You get what I'm saying? So hopefully y'all get to enjoy some of this scenery with me. I miss y'all, man. I miss y'all. And even though I might not be posting every week, I'm still gonna post, because I know my family is priority. Y'all my family too. Y'all my extended family. So I gotta come back and see how y'all doing. So let me know how y'all been doing. What's going on in your life? If you on the road, baby, tell me how life been treating you. You know, and I know the rates haven't been the greatest, but I'm doing something a little different now. So mostly I carry like mail. I do some dry van and some aluminum and you know, metals, precious metals and things of that nature. A lot of stuff that I need a little bit of clearance. So sometimes I can't show you everything, but I'll show you what I can, all right? So thank y'all for tuning in. It's yours truly, Kylie Infinite. And you're tuned in to, this is no longer the Zell Diaries. I'm gonna let you know what this called, because I gotta change the name. We with a new company, we gotta change the forte. You get what I'm saying? But I love you and I miss you, baby. Thank you for coming back. Excuse me. On 65, he kept my load straps. He probably put them right by the door. Yep, yellow and gray. No, it's all good. I understand. Thank you. No problem. All right. Shit, I only need one strap. Wild flavors? Okay. Shit, that's secured to me. We're gonna leave it like that. Them trees blocking everything.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto South Cliff Road.
I don't know why he stopped, but I sure went. He's still back there. Watching, baby, they be driving crazy. It's 2 lanes going to the right anyway. Ooh, that Jane on Silverado pickup truck is playing with his life.
Use the right 2 lanes to take exit 31A.
Oh, you from here, so you already knew it was 2 lanes.
31A on the right, toward I-88 Toll West. Continue for 139 miles.
Sunset and you can't see nothing. You got to focus on the lines on the road, and of course you got to see the vehicles in front of you as well. Man, it's so beautiful over there. Wow. About to get off on 39, go to this pilot because I only got like a quarter tank, and then the next Flying J or pilot is like 100 and something miles away, and I really don't like to risk it by running my fuel that low. So even though this costs because of toll, I'm gonna get on 39, go to the pilot, then get back on 39 south, then get back on 80. Then I'm gonna clean my windows because my goodness, bug juice everywhere. Dang, it's 66 degrees out here already. The temperature dropping. It dropped like 15 degrees. Always enough reserve parking, I tell you that. Fueling done. I'm gonna go wash my hands and grab me some food. Love feeling refreshed and good, beautiful, rising, grand rising, rich rising, any type of rising. So we about to start rolling out shortly, 1,500 miles away from the Sunshine State, and I'm already getting the sunshine because the sun is following me. You get what I'm saying? About to roll out. We're about to have a beautiful day, baby. It's easy breezy, hair blowing in the wind type of day. You get what I'm saying? Only thing I hate about Cali, baby, is when you get into California, you gotta go 55 miles an hour. Do you hear me? You know how big California is when you going north to south too? See, when you coming from 80, you might have 2 to 3 hours worth of 55 miles an hour. It's easier, but going north, if I'm gotta go to California to Washington, I'm gonna be in my feels. Feelings. Just gonna go around like a responsible driver. Oh, I guess I could have went through here. Oh, he parked right there and got to do his oil and stuff. Come on, big guy. Come on, mister. Feelings.
Turn right at the stop sign, then take the first right.
Let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Hey, yeah. Ain't no errors, baby. It's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra.
Welcome to Wyoming.
All right, we're going to the port of entry. Cheyenne, Wyoming. They got all them cameras. When flashing vehicles not requiring permit, exit port. Okay. I don't know if he gonna pay attention.
Object on the road was reported on I-80.
You are in
Present your bill of lading for inspection. Driver, do not set air brakes.
Hi, what do you have?
Mel. Yeah. Thank you. All right, so that's Donner Pass Road. So we're near Donner Pass. Walmart. You going under the speed limit. You can't be in my lane and going under the speed limit. Now we into Donner Pass. 40 miles worth of downgrade. Once you know how to drive one downgrade, you know how to drive them all. Two miles, 5% grade, advised 50 miles an hour. All right, let me slow it down to 50 miles an hour then. Baby. You know that you from here, right? Don't be fooled by Donner Pass, man. It's easy when, when it's dry out here. Coming through here with ice on the ground. Oh, even if it's rainy and wet. Oh, Better take your time. Don't play with Donna Pass. And you just go down at your comfortable speed. And if it's below like 50 miles an hour, turn on your flashers and do your thing. Just, you know, just go slow, take your time. You only got to go down too fast one time, and that'll be your last time ever driving. So it's better to go too slow than too fast, I tell you that. Brake check 8 miles ahead. Checkpoint enforced.
There's a lane closure ahead.
All right, we got to do a brake check. It said all trucks must stop. Is this the damn brake check area? I know you fucking lying. Oh, this is bullshit. You just gonna pull off on the shoulder? So that whole shoulder area was the brake check area. They ain't even make an exit specifically for the trucks. They just put trucks on the side of the shoulder in danger for cars and from other rigs hauling tail through there. They didn't even care. Downgrade next 3 miles. 6% grade. My ears are popping like I'm on a plane. And then we're in the construction site with the right lane closed. So if you too heavy and you coming through here, man, boy, it's an ugly sight, man. It's an interesting predicament to be in, you know? So take your time, man. Take your time. Go ahead, Western Express. I see you, baby. That's why you gotta take your time through construction zone. You see it? The little things is in the middle of the road. See? They redesigning this whole junk. Look at him all in my lane. Look at this. See, that's why you gotta take your time, because they don't know how to drive through here. Just because you can speed through here and make it through here, that's cool, but you gotta protect yourself from everybody else. See all these people in my lane trying to, you know, go through the curve. Western Express done slowed down now. Wonder what's that about? If you don't want to let me go, take your ass on. If you don't want to let me go, go. If you don't want to let me go, go. Country everywhere. They got country everywhere. They got a lot of farm equipment. Okay. We got some crops over here. What's over here? They're standing as tall as they stand. I don't know nothing about farmland, but it's cool to see. You would think because I'm from Mississippi that I seen some farmland. I ain't never even been up close to no farmland. Yeah, well, that's not the part of the world I'm from. I wish I was a super country girl, man. Oh man. Closest I seen a pig was a piece of bacon. I seen some cows from the road. And I know hogs, you can make some calls and find some hogs. They feed everything to the hogs. So you gotta watch who you beefing with when you beefing with one of them country boys. They feed you to one of them hogs. I do know that. Don't make no enemies with a country boy, I tell you that. I supposed to have been at this delivery at 11 a.m. My arrival time is 12:30. That's how it goes sometimes with this traffic. But we're gonna make it that safe. It's the #1 priority. Look, it's more farmland. Jeez. Oh, it look like it's pumpkins out there. Look like that's a little farmer's market area. Now I know corn when I see it. If I'm not mistaken, that should be corn. Yeah, I ain't no specialist. I ain't no professional. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Girl, you ain't shit. So that traffic I was merging from, I was in Sacramento. Yeah, I was coming through Sacramento. Okay. Downtown Oakland. Right lane. That's fine.
Take the exit on the left towards San Francisco.
See, she's saying left and this one's saying right, so I was kind of in the middle. I ain't know where to be at.
In 0.1 miles, keep left. Keep right to stay on I-80 West.
So I keep rolling or what? Yeah, 25 miles an hour, definitely keep rolling. And it say big as day, do not stop. No stopping. Skirt.
Glasses, the sun comes shining through. Wearing my rose-colored glasses, the world looks shiny and new. The skies are ever so blue. I'm happy through and through. Wearing my rose-colored glasses, I tell you what I see. You are still here with me. I'm putting my glasses on. Whenever I'm sad, I'll wear them the whole night long. I'm chasing the clouds away. I just can't stand the rain. I was lost for a while, but I found me a better way. I'm losing my mind, ignoring all the pain. I'm putting my glasses on. Sunny days just go on and on and on. I wear my colored glasses.
Hey Siri, where am I?
You're on I-80 West, San Francisco, California.
We in San Francisco, baby.
Be in any of the 3 left lanes.
Look, I'm a rock star in real life. We was doing Grand Theft Autos, hitting licks, home invasions. It was a good night. Take the goods to the plug, then he bring us back by 2K. Feeling like a baller, see the Jordan on my shoelace. Nuketown, stepping off buses, hopping on fences. Call of Duty, me and my niggas, we in the trenches. Camping at the crib, playing True Crime LA. Santa Dre's nice, bumping Ice Cubes, good days. Such a 90s baby though. If we grind it, then we grind it. Man, I feel like Tony Hawk. And my homies got the iron, man, they feel like Tony Stark. And you better watch your head, cause it get wicked up the door. Feeling like Kobe back in his prime. If we talking about the numbers, then I probably go LeBron. I'm a lion out the jungle, at the top I'm like the Dons. This my life, it ain't a movie, I won't be at Comic-Con.
To San Bruno Avenue, then keep right. In 0.1 miles, exit right, and then exit right. Use the right lane to take exit 423A, then take the North Access Road exit.
Call me Bucky, niggas lucky that I'm innocent. If I didn't have no morals, I'd be menacing. How a nigga rapping conscious but he ignorant? How he from the hood but still gon' go legitimate? How he fuck a bunch of bitches but they still respect the women? He still rolling in Sonata, he just got the window still in. Homie stab me in the back and that can never be forgiven. And my palms been itching, man, I like your superstition. You can't have my phone number unless we running up the digits. Let me meditate, I just need a couple minutes. Tryna low for me, my cojones to the big ass. Bitch, I get high.
There's trucks down here. There's trucks down here.
In 1,000 feet, your destination will be on the left.
1/4 mile, arrive at 944 Northfield Road on the right.
Just come through here.
Arriving at 944 Northfield Road.
Dropping off, sir.
Don't go across the yellow line.
Okay.
Another one? Oh, yeah. Do you want to come on 3?
Yeah, I can go on 3. You want me to just back up so you can break the seal?
Yeah.
Okay.
Back up on 3, not all the way. So
Right. Yeah, I got you. Thank you.
go ahead and bring it. I just open this and bring it up when you move.
10-4. I got you. Appreciate you. All right, we made that delivery. We out of here. They literally unload that trailer in like 15 minutes.